Hello friends, welcome back RR Consultancy Assignment Guidance Challenge. Today we again come with another new video, that is how to open and upload image dataset in Google Colab. So first of all, if you have in your system any browser, then go to that browser and search Google Colab. So after that, here that is the official Google Colab site is come. The first site is the official site where welcome to Google Colab. So when you click that, then the Google Colab official site official page is open. So that is the home page of Google Colab. So here you see it in this Google Colab always use Python 3 version. Means in your system the latest version is Python 3.13, but if you have 3.10, 3.11, 3.12, 3.13, this four version is supported in this Google Colab and others Python platform now. So I suggest you please install in your system Python 3.13 because that is the latest version and most of the project is used this version for model prediction and everything in Python language. So now if you come in the left side where the table of content section is present, and in the last option is the file section where you need to upload your data set. If you continue your project in Python project, if you using a CSV file or a Excel file or a JSON file, then you need to upload here. That is a upload button, upload to session storage. And so when you click that, then a new tab is coming, and you need to select that particular file which you use in your project and then upload. Then here below the sample data, your data set is showing here. So after that, now this time our main focus is how to upload put a image data set in your software, because most of the time we facing a problem when we work with a image data set. So today I gives you two different steps where you easily click import or upload your data set it in Google Colab and easily doing your entire software. So in the first section where you see from Google Colab import drive.mount content drive. So that is the link of your personal Google Drive. So when you run this cell, then your Google Drive is open, and there you previously uploaded your image dataset in Google Drive and set a particular in folder. And then when you run this code, then the Google Drive is open. Then you select this particular folder, and then when you select this particular folder, your this Google Colab is easily trace your entire image dataset. And the second option is if in your system there have a zip file of image dataset, then in the third line where zip path equal to put in the first quotation path to your dataset.zip means here you go to your system and copy your dataset path where you store your zip dataset file. You only copy this entire path and come here and paste your entire dataset path in your in this section. Then you only run this code. When you run this code Jupyter, this Google Colab is easily fetch your that path, and then he properly understand the entire data set and import him and then he easily face your data set, then you continue your work easily. So I think if you follow these two step between these two step any one step, if then you easily continue your work with a image dataset in Python project. So if you need these types of another more videos, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.